One-piece vacuum cleaner, high-suction handheld wireless vacuum cleaner, compressed air dust collector for office keyboard cleaner, car mini vacuum cleaner. Tired of struggling with dust and crumbs in your office or car? Introducing the powerful One-PC handheld wireless vacuum cleaner. This compact and lightweight device delivers impressive suction power, making it easy to clean up messes quickly and efficiently. In this video, we'll demonstrate the vacuum's high suction capabilities and show you how it effortlessly tackles dirt, dust, and debris. You'll see how easily it can clean your office keyboard, car interior, and other small spaces. With its cordless design and convenient size, this vacuum is the perfect tool for on-the-go cleaning.